Hey everyone, it's VoiceOver Bailey again, continuing on with the second video in a series that I just now decided we're going to call Laugh and Learn. I'm going to do this bright, fun, but still kind of wearable spring makeup, and along the way I hope you learn some makeup tips and have a little laugh. By the way, I am completely open to a better series name that doesn't sound like an off-brand version of Speak and Spell. Please leave them in the comments, thank you so much. So I'm first starting with the shade Buzzkill as the matte transition shade through my crease. That is until tragedy strikes. That's right, I forgot to prime, but don't be silly, let's not freak out, it's just makeup. Simply grab your favorite opaque primer and cover it up, just like the mask you wear every day to hide your deeply rooted apprehension about the instability of the world you're currently living in. Shh, it's okay. See? Now back to work on the crease. I built the shade Buzzkill up through my crease to create contrast with the yellow shades I will soon use. I also kind of couldn't see. You see, just moments before this I was trying to airbrush makeup for the first time in a long time, and what I thought was just air drying my eyes out was in fact makeup sticking to my contacts. This is what it felt like in that moment. But this is in fact what happened. Whatever, it felt way worse. Now moving into this beautiful matte lemony yellow called Sweet Spot, I am patting that starting in my outer corner and working that through my crease. Not really creating a cut crease, it's not all that dramatic, but definitely creating some contrast between my crease shade and that yellow shade. I blend that almost entirely across the lid, just avoiding the inner third, and then I take what's left on the brush and go back into the shade Buzzkill and run that along my lower lash line. While I'm on the lower lash line, I'm defining it with a liner. This is Urban Decay's Demolition, but as I was doing it, I was thinking that maybe a teal or even a periwinkle liner would have been really fun with this look too. So play around with it, have fun, and make this look your own. Next, going into the shade Sunburst, which is this really pretty iridescent yellow with a soft blue shift to it. I'm patting that in my inner corner as a highlight and along my brow bone as a highlight, using that blending shade for the crease from before to blend that into my crease. You know what I'm saying. Next, I'm going in with this incredibly metallic high shine yellow shadow called Dandy, and I am patting that all over my lid, starting in my inner corner, meeting that Starburst or Sunburst or whatever it was called shade, and moving all the way to my outer corner. And now moving on to the absolute best part of this tutorial, it's this pressed glitter called Killer Queen from Dear Katie Brown Cosmetics, and it's the best because it is the thing that fairy dust is made of. In fact, it's better. Take that, Tinkerbell. It's totally invisible at some angles and shiny and iridescent in others, and then it'll surprise you depending on the light you're in and like hit you in the face with a pop of purple. It's amazing. And I'm just patting that all over my lid. Seriously, all over. Go ham. To finish off the eyes, it's the lashes. This is my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is exactly why I hate applying mascara on camera. So weird. So there we go, done. Last up are the lips, and I'm finishing off with this Revlon Luscious Matte Lipstick in what is honestly the worst lipstick application I've ever shown on camera, but honestly, I have a whole different video swatching all of these. This is the shade Heartbreaker, but you can see all of the shades that I have swatched in that video, and I promise they're so much better. And that's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, not just for the entertainment, but also for the look itself. It's finally getting warm out, it's time for spring colors, so hopefully this inspired you to pull some of your brights out. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and share this video with someone you think might enjoy it. As a thank you for sharing it, here are the rest of the bloopers from my dramatic reenactment. You're welcome.